How's it going, everyone? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be talking specifically about headlight adjustment for the 92 to 96 Broncos. But these steps will also work for 92 to 96 F-150 and 92 to 97 F-250 and F-350 trucks. So let's check it out. Before we do this, I would recommend you have the correct headlight adjustment tool and a 4mm nut driver. The dedicated headlight tool is currently available on our site, and it does make quick work for adjusters that are difficult to access. Plus, it's a good tool to have in your toolbox because you never know when you might need it again. If you're adjusting OEM headlights, the horizontal adjuster, which is the innermost adjuster, can be accessed by simply removing the weather stripping from the header panel and then using the adjustment tool. Now, here comes the fun part for folks with non-OEM headlights. You'll need to remove the headlight bezels since most aftermarket lights have the adjustment side of the stud facing the front of the vehicle, unlike the factory lights where the adjustment side is facing towards the rear of the vehicle. Because of the position, there is absolutely no way to access the adjuster with the headlight bezel in place. If you would like to know more about replacing the front lights, or you just need to know how to remove the bezels, then check out those videos in the description. When doing this, make sure you're in a low lit area. To adjust your new headlights, park the truck on level ground and make sure it's facing a wall. Get the truck as close to the wall as you can without it touching. With the headlights on, place a vertical and horizontal tape line in the center of each light beam. Masking or painter's tape will be your best bet. Now, if you have a lifted vehicle, you'll need to move this mark down to approximately 37 1/4 of an inch from the ground. Now, roll the vehicle back approximately 25 feet from the wall. Turn the outer adjuster clockwise or counterclockwise. This will move the headlight beam up or down. Once this is centered in between the horizontal tape line, locate the inner adjuster. Turn this adjuster to move the beam left or right. Ensure that the light beam is centered in between the vertical tape line. You can repeat these steps for the other side. Reassemble any component that may have been removed to complete the adjustment procedure. After that, you're all finished. As always, we hope this video has helped you out. That's all we have for you today. So until we catch you in the next one, for all things OBS Bronco, y'all know what to do. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.